there, and welcome to the Green Industry Marketing Show, where we're all about growing your online presence so you can grow your business. And today I'm going to be talking about 3 of the biggest mistakes that I see on websites that just kill your conversions in terms of getting people to call your business or visit you or buy from you. And I'm going to show you 3 simple fixes that you can do yourself to get rid of that problem. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm Monica Hemingway, and I help companies in the green industry to get more visibility online so that they can get more customers, more revenue, and live the life that they want. And in today's episode, I'm going to quickly run through what you can do to increase those customers and revenues. So first, I want to ask you a question. Do you have a website and no matter what you do, somehow it's just not getting the phones ringing? So maybe you've tried different design options. Maybe you've even tried running paid traffic like pay-per-click ads or Facebook ads to your website, and somehow the phones aren't ringing. Well, if that's you, then today's training is going to solve that problem for you. So let's get started. What is the number one problem I see? Well, this is something that it's an easy fix, and it's something that I see on probably, maybe 90% of the websites I look at. This is an issue that I'm seeing. And that is, let me just click this. There's no phone number on the website. So you know you're on a website and you want to get in touch with them. Maybe you have questions about their hours of operation or their service area or whether they carry a particular product, and you look on the website and you can't find the phone number anywhere. So what do? You leave, right? You can't contact them. A lot of websites have the phone number on the Contact Us page, and that's fine, right? I'm not saying don't leave it there. Do leave it there. You got to leave it there. And sometimes you'll find it on the right down here on the footer of the website, and that's great. Leave it there too. But the number one place where it should go is right here. So right there at the top right of your website. That's where people expect to see it. It's the easiest place to put it, and it's the most visible. If you put that on every single page in big letters, not too big, obviously, big numbers, you want to be highly visible, but not in your face necessarily. Make it easy for people to call you. And if they can call you, they will call you. So that's number one. What's the second thing? Well, the page that's most visited on a website is usually going to be the home page. And a lot of people put on their homepage, they put things like, we serve our local community. We're very much a part of it. We've been in business for 20 years. We have excellent customer service. We're licensed, bonded, and insured, and we're wonderful. Great. And I'm not saying don't put that information on your website, but notice it doesn't say what you actually do. And that's one of the big things I find is that a lot of companies don't make it really clear. Nowhere do they come out and actually say, hey, we mow lawns, or we design and build stone walls, patios, and walkways, or we sell every kind of plant you could possibly want, from ground covers and annuals to trees and perennials. Right? When that's obvious, then people know they've landed in the right place. And then they're more likely to either come visit you or contact you, right? Because they know you provide the services that they want. Now, one of the other things you can do is when, say your tree care service, right? So you could say full service tree care by certified arborists. That would be in big letters on your home page, and underneath it you would put the various services that you provide within tree care. So you could put pruning and trimming, and then you could put tree removal, you could put pest and disease control, you could put storm cleanup, emergency service, right? You would list those underneath with links to the pages where you describe those services. So it's immediately obvious to somebody that you do what they need you to do, right? So then what's the next thing? All right. Number 3. If number 1 is the phone is missing, number 2 is the services are missing. I'm sure you can probably guess what number 3 is because it's kind of similar. And that's there's no service area or location anywhere on the website sometimes. It's one of my big pet peeves. You get on the website and you've no idea where they're located. There are even some websites that don't say anywhere where they're located. Now, if you're purely an online business, that makes sense. But we're talking green industry here, and you are normally going to either be bricks and mortar, like a nursery, garden center, something like that, or an office, for example, if you're a design business, or you're going to have a service area. So how do people know what your service area or your location is if you don't put it on the website, right? So put it on your home page prominently. For example, if you are a lawn care service, you could say, we mow lawns in Fairfield County, Connecticut. It's really clear not only what you do, but where you do it. And when people know those 2 things, then they are more apt to contact you. So when your phone number is then up here in the top right as well, bingo, they will start to call. So 3 very, very simple things that you can do. Put your phone number top right, put your services prominently on the home page, put your service area or location prominently on the home page. And with those 3 things, you'll start to see more people getting in touch with you. Now, you can do 1 or 2 of those things, but what I find is that when you put all 3 together, that's when you really get the most bang for your buck. So my challenge to you is go out today, go to your website and do those 3 things, and then start to see what a difference it makes. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, I'll ask you to please leave it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe because there'll be one of these training videos coming your way every week and you don't want to miss that.